So I'm gonna put bread in a film porridge chat. I don't want no bread. Yeah. Take the nectar batch of bread. Alright, chat me gonna do the porridge. There you go. Then come pick up something and them know where them come for pick up.
Thank you.
Come open it. What's the facial expressions? Watch face.
When I next trip?
Here there. Turn it over the people them seat. I think when they show them already. Turn it around. Yeah, man, them people them. Yeah. Alright, chat. The breakfast is ready. So we call it cornmeal porridge. Yeah. With the cinnamon leaf in it. Alright, I'm gonna share out some. So I'm gonna put bread in a film porridge chat. I don't want no bread. Yeah. And then bread back.
Everything. When I left nothing. I sweetest part of bread. That's a good thing not toaster not there.
It's a toaster, yeah.
When I take you to say toaster that's too late.
Alright, shut me. I'm gonna do the porridge. Shop, I love the grass that shop, but then this though they can't report butter. So she charge the kilo the oxtail. So they have curry oxtail or what? What type of oxtail I have? So no curry chat, no curry oxtail. Season it. Nice. Just try to rub in the seasoning. Now the oxtail. And Chinese sauce. I don't put too much in it. So really rubbing our Chinese sauce shots. On an Oxtail Sunday. Shot the oxtail and a teaspoon. Alright, some piece pot over here, so bubble up. Alright, so this I got fry and brown little, then I got choke on it. Alright, rice over here, so for wash. Put in the pot. Yeah man, this is how our Sunday is going so far. It's an Oxtail Sunday with rice and peas. So chat as I can see, but in the kitchen, so I could check in on the food. Alright, rice and peas pot, semi ready like Freddy chat. Hello, bring on the plate and come line up, food time. I will check in on the meat pot now. Alright, meat pot semi ready. The meat, the under whole heap of gravy trot. Look at the gravy thick. Hello. Hello, go for the plate and come. The food ready, chats. Watch there. So Miss Chin Sunday pot is ready. Yeah, Miss Chin put on the pot. Sharing time. No, it's sharing time. Food time. Food time. Eh, food time. Alright, so get some plates. So make sure the food them one by one, just to talk. Fixing the light shot. Alright, plate number one. The other spoon. Oxtail with broad bean. I don't really understand what's going on. But this can't take up gravy. Use this. Well, why is Detective Brand on trial? Right. It's an internal affairs here. Detective Moran knowingly put you in a dangerous situation. Plate number one, chat. Which is against the law. Well, did Detective Brand know that we were going to help him with the fire? According to his testimony, yes. But if he hadn't asked me to help him, he would have gone to jail. Alright, plate number two. Chat, line up with the plates. Line up. It's food time. Wow, it's done here. Yes, ma'am. First thing he did was asking me to do. But we got our answers. Call me Maxine. They say me pretty like a bunch of roses. Could change your life. Yes, you did. You changed my life in our affairs area. Detective Joseph Moran was not guilty of reckless endangerment of a minor. Only after now he felt it back. He said he wouldn't have done anything differently. Bruce Wilkins had a solid alibi at the time for my mother's death. But he testified at the trial that didn't try to hire him to kill her. He was found guilty of solicitation of murder and sentenced to 10 years in prison. So chop the spoon out of the gravy pot. Look at in the spoon. Next plate. Open us to be in a chat. So I changed my last name to Brewster. Chat, when I know some is not really a gravy person. Little bit of gravy, I'm good. You know, I don't know if cook kind of like shared food. You know, so when I put the food must share it, don't chat. Cook and share at the same time. Miss Chin eat nothing at chat, so I put nothing in a plate. So chat, we were supposed to make juice, beetroot juice, but without the sugar. I just plate one, plate number two, plate number three, plate number four, food time, food, 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 food. Hey, hey. Share the video, chat, share the video, it's food time. What? The people in things.
Figure it out. Alright, kiddo, come on. Okay, go.
Put a spoon on my plate.
Hey, hold the door.
Join the people room. Ah, thank you. And I eat the food. Yeah, step on the tablet, so chop where I eat. Mystery the running so fair plates. You can pause the tablet and eat. So this is how our Sunday is going so far. So chat, it's currently 5:14 p.m. And I like not sure the days them done so fast. By the time you glimpse, we in October, you know? And by the time we glimpse again, you know, we in December, you know, chat. Chat, sure. Honestly, y'all looking forward to the Easter season. And yeah, remember, the Easter season is not only about bun and cheese. Come on, don't even make it only about bun and cheese. And the little holiday then to the river or the beach. It's more than that. So we can enjoy bun and cheese and still go to church, you know, check on other people or call other people that is not in our area. So Easter is next one. Not all Easter. Carnival. And y'all remember, Carnival is coming up. Comment below. Let me know if you will be going to Carnival. Let me know.